Hi everybody, today we're making our Gin cocktail with our indigo gin. Get your glass ready. In there you can put in your slice of lemon, and you'll also need a sprig of mint, but we need to open up those flavours a little. Let me show you how. Give it a little clap, pop it in your glass, and give it a good muddle underneath with that slice of lemon, just to get those flavours and those oils going. Right, top up with your ice. Double shots of our indigo gin. Top that up with some lemonade. You can also use soda, sparkling water. Right. A little bit of our blueberry cordial, which we've developed ourselves, specific for our cocktail. I'd say about half a shot. Ta-da! Give it a lekker stir.